How to change age on Duolingo. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Take it simple. In this tutorial video, I am going to show you how you can simply change age on Duolingo application. It's pretty simple and easy. Firstly, open your Duolingo application and tap on your avatar head. Again, click on the gear shift icon in the upper right corner. Now you will be appeared to this homepage of your profile info in your Duolingo application. Scroll down and tap on Help Center. Once you are inside the page of Help Center, make sure that the page loads up. Once the page loads up, scroll all the way to the button and tap on Submit Bug Report. Now enter your email address that is linked to the Duolingo application. That means enter the email that has been used when you created your Duolingo account. After entering your email address, then go to the subject and type Change Age on Duolingo. After that, write the description by describing your problem. For instance, you can write, I have incurred age in my Duolingo account. After that, you have to choose the type of issue. For instance, you can choose the other bug option. Finally, click on Submit and your report will be submitted to the Duolingo's Help Center. They will reply to the email whichever is connected in your Duolingo's application. You have to check the email and follow the steps given by them. I hope you understand how you can change your age on Duolingo application. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more informative contents. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.